Hello guys, welcome to App Mentor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to efficiently farm Stardust Source in one human. If you want to maximize your resources, these are the best methods to use. So first up, let's talk about workshops. You can find various workshops scattered around the map. To activate them, you will need an extraction permit. Once activated, these workshops will reward you with Stardust Source and other valuable items. Although this is a good method, it's not the most efficient one. For the best results, focus on farming securement silos. These are extraction sites where you can obtain large amount of Stardust Source. It's highly recommended to tackle these with a team of 4 for faster and more efficient runs. And each completed silos provides Stardust Source along with potential blueprints and high-level gear. And I just came home to show you another great way to increase your Stardust Source, and that is by using disassembly bench. So basically you have many different items. Okay, so here I have in tools I have projection generators, and if I select it, it will give me Stardust Source. So like this, you will likely have excess amount of weapons and items. You can use the disassembly bench to break down these items into Stardust Source. You can select all the unwanted gear that you don't want and disassemble it for a significant boost in Stardust Source. So that's it for today's guide on farming Stardust Source in one human. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to App Mentor, and ring the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy farming.